I love having this little tool on hand for my home projects, and thanks so much to the brand for sending it over in exchange for my feedback. So this is a DURATECH 12-inch torpedo level, and the first thing I have to mention is the magnet. It's surprisingly strong and sticks really well to metal surfaces, which makes it so much easier to work hands-free. If you're installing something on metal or working at an awkward angle, it just stays put and doesn't slide off. It's compact but feels solid and well made. I like that it's lightweight enough to toss in a toolbox, but still sturdy. And the bubbles are bright and easy to see, so you're not squinting or second guessing whether something is straight. You can check it from different angles, which definitely helps when space is tight. There is also a groove on the bottom that helps it sit nicely on pipes or rounded surfaces, and a small hole so you can hang it up when you're done. So this is definitely a great find and a really handy tool to keep around.